how to set up or optimize your Instagram profile. So after creating your new Instagram account, or maybe an old one, then do ensure you've logged into the Instagram app. So currently this is the Instagram app and this is our feed. Now I'm going to show you some optimization you can adopt for your business page or your personal brand, but we're going to focus more on the business side and the creator aspect in this tutorial. All right, so let's search for Grite. So we search. All right, so this is ours. So what we did there was to list our services, our core services, and some achievements we have as a company. So you could see branding consultancy, digital agency, tech solutions, meta business partner, business development, media buying and planning, best advertising company. Now we're making use of the Instagram link, multiple link features. So you could see the first one is our website, the second is our WhatsApp channel, the third is our YouTube channel, while the fourth is a community we are growing primarily for Nigerians. Then the fifth is our profile link as a verified Meta business partner. So if you click on that link, it's going to take you to our partner directory page on Facebook as a Meta business partner under the agency of specialty. And the last one is our Facebook page. All right, so let's continue. So you could see, you could as well follow us for more updates. So you could send us a message if you want. So you could see some FAQs already set up for this page. So let's go back. Then you could see our contact us button. You could give us a call or send us an email or send us a WhatsApp message. So you can see the optimization on this Instagram page. Now next you can see our Instagram highlights. So these are the major or the primary optimization you could do for your business page on Instagram. Okay, so apart from posting properly, so once you're done with your optimization, the next thing to focus more on is posting regularly and posting quality content on your business page. All right, so let's analyze another page. Okay, so we search for our subsidiary page, which we're still working on, Grite Agency. Okay, so this is it. The username is Agency Grite. All right, so you could also check out this one. Okay, and you could see the highlights, Instagram highlights cover, looking beautiful, right? Okay, this is not the only way you could work on your Instagram bio. There are other options. You could just list out what you do, how you can help people, and what action they need to take. All right, so we're gonna cover all that in this video. Okay, so like I said, this Instagram account actually looks very new, right? So this is how a new Instagram profile is. So let's optimize this Instagram profile. Now this video is going to focus more on the professional aspect of Instagram. So let's begin by clicking on the edit profile. Next is to convert this personal page to a professional account. So if yours is already a professional account, no need to do anything, just hold on. Let's switch this to a professional account, then we'll continue. So we click on switch to professional account. Okay, so we could just use creator as the category. Okay, so we're going for digital creator. So you could decide to display the name or you could leave it. Let's hide it for now. So you click on done. Okay, so we're going to choose, is it a creator account or a business? This is a creator account, so we'll go for creator, then we'll click on next. All right, so we are done. We've successfully converted this personal profile to a professional account, specifically a creator account. So we could click on not now for this. Okay, so let's just close this for now. But though you could still follow all these steps, so by clicking on the complete your profile, yeah. But let's go back. I want us to start from the official page on which is the Instagram profile home. Let's start from there. We're going to update everything, so let's close this notification. Okay, so you could see professional dashboard is showing, which means this is a professional account. So we click on the edit profile again. So now the first thing is to edit our name. Okay, so we're going to call it the creators hub, the creators hub. Okay, click on save at the top right corner. So change name. Okay, so you could also change your username if you want, but we like this username, so we're not going to touch that. The pronouns, we're going to leave that for now. Bio is the next thing. So this is the bio we want to use. Empowering content creators to tell their stories and shine. So get tips and hacks for a promising career. Join our community. Let's rise together. So we click on OK. All right. Next, you could add your link or your website. So you could also connect your Facebook profile if you want, or you simply add just your website or a link that leads to the community you want them to join. So for this, add external link, we might just call it, okay, let's just use one of Grite's community link. Okay, bit.ly/ okay. All right, so we could just call it join our networks or join our network. Okay, then we save this good at the top right corner. So we go back. So gender, we're gonna leave that. So next, you can connect a page. We made several videos on how to connect a page on our YouTube channel, but you could also do that by clicking here. You connect a page, then you connect this Instagram profile to your Facebook account, then you'll be able to link a page or create a new page. All right, so just click on continue and follow the on-screen instruction. We've already selected the category of this page, which is digital creator. Next, the contact option. So we click on that. So here you're going to add your business email, okay, followed by your phone number. Okay, then you could decide if you wanted to focus on call or text. I usually prefer call. You could go for text if you prefer that also. So once you're done with that, you click on save. Next, you link your WhatsApp business phone number. Okay, so it's very important that you have a WhatsApp business line for this. You're going to send a verification code to confirm your number, then it's going to be linked to this Instagram profile. It's very easy. Then you could also go for display your contact info, then you click on save at the top right corner. Okay, so let's go back. Okay, so I guess this is all for now. Okay, so let's add a profile picture. So you could add your profile picture from here by selecting from your gallery, or you could go for an avatar. So let's create an avatar. So we're gonna do something very fast here. Okay, okay, so this is just okay, so we just click on done. All right, next. Okay, so here we go. We went for avatar, so that's beautiful, right? So we click on back. That's going to save automatically. So next, I'm going to show you how to impute your Instagram highlight. So in order to set up an Instagram highlight, you start by creating a story. So you click here. Okay, let's use a random picture so that you understand something. We're going to use this logo. Then we click on your story. Okay, so click on OK. So once the story has been uploaded successfully, then we'll click on it. So you could see it. Next, we'll click on more. Then we'll click on highlights. So you could see highlights have been created. So all we need to do, we could just call this theme or our theme. Then we'll click on add. Okay, so let's view our profile. So you could see now you could also edit this highlight cover. So all you need to do is to hold the our theme, then you click on edit highlight. Then you're going to see where to edit the cover. So we click here, then we visit the photo gallery. Then we visit our photo gallery, then we select this particular cover photo, then we'll click on next, then we'll click on done. Okay, click on, you could also edit the title here if you want, then we'll click on done. So you can see now, after doing this, you could also add another highlight. You don't need to go through that long process by adding a story first, but you could still do that. So all you need to do is to click on new. So we click on new, then we could still select one of our stories, either active or a previous story, and use it to set up the new highlight. So we select this one, then we click on next, then we could call this let's just call it anything about us. Okay, or reviews. Okay, let's use reviews. So we click on done. Now you're going to notice that another highlight have been created. Now we're going to edit the cover photo of this highlight also. So we hold, then we click on edit highlight. Now you could see where you could delete the highlight, send to someone, copy the link, or show QR code, or share to. So different options. So we click on edit highlight. Okay, now we edit the cover. We open our phone gallery. So we open our photo library on this device. Then we select the icon, the cover photo for reviews, which is this one. Then we'll click on next. Okay, then we'll click on done. Now you could design all these cover photos on Canva. That is where you could do your designs. Even your logo designs, you could do that on Canva, or preferably you get a professional graphic designer to help you with all of these designs. Then you click on done. Okay, so you can see, so these are the main parts of setting up or optimizing your Instagram profile or your Instagram professional account. So you could see everything we've done, looking beautiful, right? Okay, so next I'm going to show you how you could still update or add more photos to this highlight. So let's say we want to add a new story. Okay, so we go back, so we click on the plus button, then we select story. Okay, then we're going to go for one of these pictures. Okay, let me share this. I stumbled on this, so you could use this to help you figure out the perfect bio for your business. Now another way you could directly add this story to your highlight is by holding your story. So we could actually send this to our review page. Let's take it for example. Okay, so you can see it's going to be posted as a story, and yet it's still going to be added to a highlight. Okay, so let me show you something. So you can see the first photo, and this is the second one. Now our team has only one picture. Now we're going to try to add this recent story to our team. So we go to our story, then we click on the three dots, the more, then we click on highlight, then we choose our team. Okay, so let's confirm. So you can see it's now on our team, and the previous one is still there. So you can always edit this highlight if you want. So let's do it. So you hold the review button, then you click on edit highlight. Now you could remove all the pictures here, or you could remove all the pictures here or all the stories here and click on, you can select a new one from the story or an old one from the story. So this is how you could update the picture in your story highlight. Okay, so you click on done. I believe this is very easy. All right guys, so before we go, let's try updating the profile picture of this Instagram account. Remember, we used the avatar, but now let's go back to the profile picture. So we click on edit profile. Next, we click on the edit picture. Then we'll click on new profile picture. Then we're going to select the logo. Okay, click on next. Then we'll click on next. All right. Then we'll allow it to load, and it's been updated successfully. So congratulations, we've updated the profile picture. So see you guys in our next video. Bye for now. Do well to visit the description section to access more useful information and guides.